Hello to all my little friends. I hope you all are doing great. Christmas is almost here. In today's video, we will continue our Christmas series of drawings by drawing the cute red-nosed reindeer Rudolph. Let's start with the eyes first. Draw two ovals. Add a small eyeball on upper side of each oval. Now draw another oval nose underneath the eyes and surrounding this one make another bigger oval. Draw a curved line as the mouth. Let's finish the face now. Start drawing with the head first and then I'm drawing two ears on either side of the head. Now come downwards and just join both the sides like this. Our Rudolph is wearing a Christmas hat, so let's draw it now. Add some patterns on it and don't forget the pom-pom. Is something still missing? Yes, we are forgetting the antlers. Start with one branch and then divide it in 3 to 4 more branches. Repeat the same process for the other antlers too. Add a single line on both the ears to give it a more prominent look. Moving to the body now, we will start drawing with the scarf first. Add some stripes on it. Now from both the sides of the scarf, try to draw the front two legs. Now join both the legs with a line. Now draw the other two remaining legs from the sides of each front leg. Let's draw a wavy line for making the chest portion of the body. Let's start coloring. Use brown throughout the face and body of the reindeer. Use a darker brown for the inner side of the ears, antlers, paws and chest. Now color the hat white and red. And obviously the nose will be red as well. To match the hat, we will also color the scarf white and red. Color the eyes black. It comes the final time now to add some white highlights. Look, our little cute Rudolph is all ready now. I hope you have enjoyed drawing with me. If so, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.